Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among lush green hills, there lived a young girl named D-nanchi. She had a curious mind and a thirst for knowledge that set her apart from the others in her community. While the villagers were content with their traditional ways and beliefs, D-nanchi yearned to explore the world beyond. Every day, D-nanchi would wander off into the forests, where she would observe the flora and fauna, asking questions about their existence. She would sit by the riverbank, listening to the flowing water as it whispered ancient tales. D-nanchi had an open mind, willing to absorb new ideas and perspectives that others often dismissed as trivial or unnecessary. One day, a traveler arrived in the village, bringing stories of distant lands, cultures, and people. The villagers listened with skepticism, afraid that these new ideas might disrupt their peaceful way of life. But D-nanchi was intrigued. She approached the traveler, eager to learn more about the world beyond their village. The traveler, impressed by D-nanchi's enthusiasm, shared tales of faraway lands, filled with diversity and wonders. He spoke of different customs, traditions, and ways of thinking that expanded D-nanchi's understanding of the world. She listened intently, absorbing every word, and asked thought-provoking questions that made the traveler ponder even deeper. As time went on, D-nanchi's open-mindedness grew stronger. She encouraged her fellow villagers to embrace new ideas, to question their beliefs, and to see the world from different perspectives. At first, they resisted, fearing change and uncertainty. But D-nanchi's gentle persistence and her ability to listen without judgment gradually opened their hearts and minds. Together, they started exploring new ways of doing things, blending their traditional knowledge with the insights gained from the outside world. The village flourished as they embraced innovation and adapted to the changing times. D-nanchi became a beacon of open-mindedness, inspiring others to break free from the shackles of rigidity and embrace the beauty of diversity. Word of the remarkable transformation in the village soon spread to neighboring communities. People from far and wide came to witness the harmony that existed in the once closed-minded village. They saw how open-mindedness had not only brought progress but had also fostered empathy, understanding, and a deep appreciation for different cultures. D-nanchi's name became synonymous with open-mindedness, and her village became a symbol of hope for those seeking a more inclusive world. Leaders, scholars, and even children would come to seek her guidance, knowing that she possessed a wisdom that transcended boundaries. D-nanchi's legacy lived on, as her teachings were passed down from generation to generation. The village became a melting pot of ideas and innovation, a place where diversity was celebrated, and progress was embraced. And it all started with the simple act of one young girl opening her mind and daring to explore what lay beyond the familiar. So, let the story of D-nanchi serve as a reminder that open-mindedness is not a weakness but a strength. It has the power to bridge divides, foster growth, and create a world where compassion and understanding prevail. May we all follow in D-nanchi's footsteps, opening our minds to the beauty and wisdom that lies in embracing different perspectives. Hello there, please drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.